paper crane. Okay, so origami. This video is to show you how to fold and make paper crane. So the first thing you're going to need is your origami paper. Okay, you need, doesn't have to be specifically origami paper, but that's usually really good because it's nice and thin. Okay, so there's a color side and then there's a blank white side here. Okay, so let's get started. Your first fold is you're going to take this paper, okay, have the color side, and you're going to fold and you're going to make a triangle. You're going to connect corner to corner, just like that. So one corner to one corner, okay? Now every time you fold, you want to get a good crease, okay? Good crease. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is creasing my fold. We just did step 1, making this fold. Okay, so it goes from here to there. Now you have a nice triangle. Okay, so now we're going to do step 2, or fold number 2. We're going to take this, we're going to take one corner of that triangle and fold it over to the other side. And then once again, crease your folds. You want those to line up as best as possible, okay? So you want that to line up. See how it's not going over like that? It's right on top. So I have a nice clean triangle. The edges aren't coming over too much, and you crease, okay? See how it's nice and smooth there, okay? And see how those corners are about the same position. Okay, you maybe can't see them close enough, so they're right there, like that. Okay, so we have another triangle. So we went from here, and we brought it over to there, and now we have another triangle. Okay, so fold number 3. Okay, this is where it gets kind of technical. Okay, now there actually is a name for this fold in origami. I don't remember the name. So, but we now have created this part and this part, 2 separate parts, which is very important to remember throughout the rest of this video. Okay, so we're gonna fold from one of them. I'm gonna use this side. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to open. Now this part I'm pinching. Okay, we're going to open one side up like that. Okay, so I still have this side. I'm gonna open one side up just like that. What I'm doing is I'm taking this top, I'm opening this up so I can take this top and fold it down like that. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'll do that again. So I have my 2 triangles. Okay, it was like this. Turn it around, looks like that. I have 2 parts. I'm taking this triangle, opening it up. Okay, and as I open it up, okay, I'm going to bring this corner to here. So this is my 3rd fold. Okay, come down. Okay. And okay. So we want it nice and clean. Just like, and it looks like this. Okay, just like this. Okay, now if you look here, see how it's nice and clean up here, goes straight up. And if I open it up and show you, see, nice and clean there. Okay, so it looks like a square here, here, and here. Okay, now make sure it's nice and creased. So I'm using the table to kind of make it, to crease it more, getting those folds nice and sharp. Sometimes you want to use your nail and put it on the crease, and it's like this. Okay, so put it on there like that. So we just did it to one side. We're going to do it to the other side. Now it gets a little trickier. Okay, so this is our 4th fold. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so I'm going to turn it up to do that, because I'm going to do the same thing to this side. We went from 2 triangles, now we're having 2 squares. Okay, so I'm going to open this side up. Okay, kind of put my finger in there to the top point of it, And when I open it up, I can do that. Okay, it's like a mouth. Okay, so I close it, connect that corner, holding it down to keep it steady. Okay, and creasing my corners, creasing my folds. Okay, getting it nice and straight. So now what you see is a nice square, okay, or a diamond. And so if you open it up, you can open it up from here, you can open it up from here on this side, okay, you can open it from both sides. So if you got this far, good job. If you didn't get this far, then you want to go back and try getting to this part again, okay? So there's the top part that's connected, kind of like the top of a pyramid, and the bottom part is opening like that. Okay, so now that we're at this point, okay, we are going, see that line, that middle line that's here? Okay, you should have a nice folded middle line. You might not be able to see it in the video, but that should be there on both sides because that was a part of another fold. Okay, so that line should be there, okay, right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, see how I have this corner? Now the tip part, that open part is at the bottom. Remember that, open part is at the bottom. So I'm going to take this part, okay, I'm going to take this corner and fold it to that center line. See, I'm going to mark it so you can actually see that, okay? So I got my pen here. Let me mark this middle line. I can see the fold, but I think there's a glare in the video, so in the screen, so you're probably not able to see that. So I'm going to draw that, okay? So now I think you can see it. Okay, so now I'm going to take this part right here and fold it to that line. I'm gonna get it nice and straight on there. Okay, when we're done, it should look like a kite. Okay, there we go. Okay, you see that? See? Okay, so that's what we did. Okay, so we went from here to here. Okay, this is nice and straight. So you see that, how that, what that fold looks like? Because it's going from here too. So going from here to here. Boom. Okay? And then we do it to the other side. Okay, take it over. Get it nice and flat over there. Okay, so get it. Okay, I have to use the table now because I'm trying to get it on there. Okay, so just like what we did right there. So we did both sides. We went from this to, we closed it, and nice and straight. Okay, nice and straight. Now, remember at this point, we're doing things 2 times. So we did it to this side. Okay, now we're gonna do it to the other side. Okay, because we have 2 parts. Okay, we had this square and then we had this square. So now this square is folded in like a kite. We're gonna get this square folded in like a kite. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Take this side, fold it here just like that. Okay, then crease, 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 crease. Always gotta crease. Good creases are very important in origami. They help your folds. Okay, especially when you have to fold a lot. So here we go. Now, then you do the same thing to this side. Okay. Okay, I can't get it. Let's see. And boom. Okay. There we go. So I just did it. Okay, so at the end it should look like this. So I went from went from this to here and closed it in. I closed it in. Okay. So the other side is just like it. Okay. So both sides are now a kite. See, it looks like a kite. Now we're going to make a fold to help us fold later. Okay, so you're gonna take what you have here, you're gonna fold, see what, I'm gonna draw a line here so you can see that. Okay. Okay, here we go. So you see where that line that goes across here, that's where we're going to fold down. Okay, fold down. Just like that. Okay, just like that. And then we're going to do that to the other. We're going to go fold it backwards, okay? Because we need this fold here. It's going to help us later. So you fold it down, okay? So you have it up. Did that. Same side. Fold it back out. There you go. Okay. So there you go. You should have. It could be kind of bent like that. That's okay. Remember, we're just using this fold to help us later. Okay. So here comes another tricky part. Okay. So here we go. We're going to do this one side at a time. So I'm going to open this side up. See these folds here? You see this fold, see this fold, and that fold. Okay, we're actually going to open this square up. Okay, so, because remember the top of the pyramid is here. Then the bottom, I'm going to open it up just like that. Okay, just like that. So if you're looking at from the bottom, from here, okay, open it up. Okay, you see where that fold is that we bent the paper, the square triangle back and forth. Okay, that's actually where that's going to go up. And then these folds here, that's where, when you fold it up, you're going to push that in just like that. Okay, then crease it. Okay. Now that can be a tough fold if the creases are not strong. If they're not nice and sharp, it's going to be a little bit difficult to do that. That's why creasing is very important, okay? So it should look like this, okay? So we went from this, we went from this, the kite, to open up your arms, raise them to open up your mouth, and close it together, okay? Just like that, okay? So that's what it looks like. Then we got to do it to the other side. We did it to this side. Now we got to do it to the other side. So it looks like this, okay? So we open the arms up, okay? Open the mouth. Remember that part is where it comes up, okay? And close. And close, okay? So we'll get the nice crease there. Okay, now at this point, we're almost done, okay? Those two folds were one you're making the square, and the other one where you're making the kite, and then this one where you're doing this, those are the more difficult folds, okay? Because you're opening something up and forming a new shape versus just folding it in triangles, okay? So in the end, it should look like this, okay? This part should open like that. This part should open like that on the other side too, okay? It's very important. Now, at this point, look, you got some legs, okay? Got some legs. So, now, the parts that are like this, that can open, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to take, see how there's there's sides here, okay? See how it opens up like that? Okay, yours does that. So, now it's open here. You're going to take one side and fold it to the middle, kind of like when we made the kite, okay? So, go ahead and make those so you can see. I'm going to show you with that fold, okay? We're doing it twice, okay? So, here we go, okay? The more you fold, the less straight it's going to look, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be 100% perfect. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so what I did was, we were here, okay? We were here, just like this, and then we took a corner, and folded it in. Took a corner, and folded it in. Okay, just like how we did with the kite, and it looks like that. Now, you see this side, these sides, that's the other side, okay? And remember, what we do to this side, we're going to do it to the other side. Okay, so here we go. We're going to fold that in, just like that. Just like we did the other side, fold that in. Whoop. And once we get this done, we're basically there. Okay, so at the end, your origami fold should look like this. Okay, you have here and here. Okay, the sides look identical, look the same. Okay, now here comes another new fold. Okay, we're going to actually see these flaps that we have here. We're going to open that up. Okay, I'm going to open that up just a little bit like that. Okay, and then, so, then, just that helps what we're going to do next. Fold next. Okay, so then, see this part here? You're gonna fold. That's actually going to go up like that. Okay, all the way up. So it's gonna, see where it bends right in the middle here. And if you look at it, it's kind of like where the paper is tearing. Okay, paper is tearing. So go up, fold it up, and then you're going to do that to the other side. Fold it up. Okay, because that makes the tail and the head. Okay. Now once we've done that, you're gonna take the head, take one of those pieces, fold it down to make the head. Okay, down to the head. And then guess what? Open the wings up. Wings up, and now you have a crane. Okay, crane. There it is. Okay. So let me show that one more time. That was kind of tricky. Okay, so we're going to start it like this. Okay, so you take the sides, kind of open them up. You open them up so you can fold one of these sides up like that, as far as you can take it without tearing the paper. Same the other side. Okay, and then you fold one part down to form the head. Then you bring one of those wings down, just like that. Okay, the sides are the wings, and there you have your paper crane. Okay, so there you go. There's a video lesson on how to make an origami crane. Good luck. It can be kind of difficult, those folds, so it's always okay to try to press pause, rewind, do it that way, and just learn. Okay, but it is going to take some time to learn it, but once you learn it, it's easy. You can just do it. It takes me about 5 minutes to make one, maybe even less. So yep, there you go, your origami paper crane.